Hello, in this lecture we're going through switch statements. Switch statements in Java are something like if statements. They allow you to take different action depending on the value of the variable, but in some cases they are more efficient than if statements. Now right here I'm gonna start with a scanner input to read the user input. I'm gonna type scanner input, new scanner, system.in. And I'm gonna press Ctrl-Shift-O to add the import statement right here. Now switch statements only support few types of variables. You can only test in switch statements types like char, byte, short, int, and string. I'm gonna make a comment right here. Switch statements also support their wrapper classes, character, byte, short, and integer, and their nums. But this is what you need to know so far, and we'll get to wrapper classes and enums later on in this course. So now I'm gonna create a variable to take some text from the user. Input.next line. I need to make the L uppercase. And I'm also going to put some text in here. Sysout, control space. So to make it clear for the user what they have to do, I'm gonna put some text right here. I'm gonna say enter your instructions. So let's pretend we're operating a program with text lines right here. So we have our variable text, which will help us get the text from the user, and then we're gonna create a switch statement. A switch statement has a switch keyword. Within parentheses, we're gonna put our variable, and then we're gonna open our curly braces. So within switch statement, we can test different cases. So we have a keyword case. Here we'll put the text that we want to check against the text variable. So we'll say run, and then we're gonna put some code that we want to execute. So here I'm gonna say program is running. And then you have the keyword break in here. Now I'm gonna open another case. For example, I'm gonna say stop, and I'm gonna put some other text in here. Sysout, program stopped. And then you have a default keyword within switch statement, which will be executed if none of the cases will match. Oops, we forgot the break keyword in here. In a switch statement, you can have as many cases as you want. You can have only one default keyword, and it can be wherever you want. It can be the first one or somewhere in the middle, it doesn't matter. The break keywords are also optional, but if you take them off, for example, if the case run matches, then you take off this break keyword, the case stop will also be executed. Now if you take off this break as well, all of them will be executed. So whenever it finds a match, all the cases will be executed until the switch statements finds a break. So now we're gonna run our program. So it says enter your instructions. So if you write something that's not run or start, the default section will be executed. So you have instructions not recognized. But if you say run, you have program is running. Or you say stop, you have program stopped. So if you decide to put default within cases, or you decide to put it first, you have to add a break keyword as well.